Okay, so crypto just had its worst day in history for the same reason that Wall Street tumbles to its worst day since April after Trump threatens more tariffs on China. So what happened in April? Here's the chart of Bitcoin. Bitcoin also collapsed in April. Guess what? It was a massive buying opportunity for Bitcoin. It rallied. It's doing it again for the same reason. Tariff talk. And so this is kind of what Trump does. He starts off super aggressive and then slowly calms things down. Trump clarifies meeting with Xi not canceled, said we'll see what happens on China tariffs, right? Starts off super aggressive and then starts to negotiate. And we've seen this over and over and over again. So what really happened was what typically happens in situations like this. Market manipulated by whales. Shout out to this guy for opening a $330 million short position on Ethereum minutes before Trump announced more tariffs on China. So someone just made billions and billions and billions of dollars on this trade. So when everyone in the market gets super crowded in one position, lots of levered longs, people super bullish, whales that control billions of dollars are able to manipulate the market and force everyone out of those positions. So we had the biggest liquidation day ever, driven by a headline that anyone with common sense realizes is not that big of a deal, right? It's not changing AI. It's not changing the tokenization of the world's wealth. We're talking trillions of dollars moving onto these blockchains, stocks, bonds, gold, everything moving on chain. None of that's changing because of this headline. It's really all driven by liquidity. People got too bullish. And so the biggest whales on the planet squeezed everyone. Here's the chart of NVIDIA. NVIDIA is down 5%. This is a multi-trillion-dollar asset. If it's down 5%, that means billions and billions and billions of dollars of selling. So the market just can't absorb that much selling. When the big AI stocks start falling, the market can't handle it. Crypto gets hit the hardest. So a lot of the altcoins we talk about on this channel are as early stage as Bitcoin was in March 2020. What happened in March 2020? Bitcoin did a move like this. I remember it very well. It felt the exact same way. We had just been dealing with years of bear market and disappointment. And then we get one of the biggest, craziest liquidity events of all time. Every single levered long is shaken out. And that sets the stage for one of the biggest bull markets we've ever seen. Bitcoin went from 3K to 69K after a move like this. This is how it works. They clear everyone out. And then we get the biggest bull market we've ever seen after the point of max pain, which is what we're feeling right now. So fundamentals could never be better. This is, again, short-term noise. Whales manipulating markets over headlines that mean nothing for the mass adoption and life-changing upside of these assets.